Good morning students, how are you? In the previous lecture we have read about the democracy, definition of democracy. Today we are going to start features of democracy. What are the features of democracy? I will explain in brief, so listen carefully. You have to read the chapter thoroughly yourself. Okay? We have started with the simple definition. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. This raises many questions. Who are the rulers in this definition? What kind of election constitutes a democratic election? Who are the people who can elect the rulers or get elected as rulers? Finally, what kind of a form of government is democracy? Clear? After that, features of democracy. Features of democracy. First, free and fair electoral competition. What is the first feature of democracy? Free and fair electoral competition. Second is one person, one vote, one value. Third is rule of law and respect for rights. Clear? These are the main features of the democracy. And democracy, first of all, free and fair electoral competition. And democracy must be based on free and fair election, where those we can say they are having the power, a fair chance of losing. They have a people have a power. They can choose their representative, and after that the election must offer a real choice between political alternatives, and it should be possible for people to choose this choice to remove the existing rulers. If they wish so, they can remove that ruler if they are not satisfied from him. Clear? Next is a democratic government ruler within limits set by constitution, law and citizens' right. If he is not doing work according to the people welfare for the welfare of the people, then they can also remove them. If remove him or her if he is not doing work accordingly, then he is not doing the work according to the constitution. He is not obeying the laws, and he is not looking the rights of the citizens. Clear? A democratic government can't do if he likes, simple because it has won an election. If he has won an election, it has to respect some basic rules. We can say every major decision has to go through a series of consultations. Clear? He can't take decision his or himself. Next is, in a democracy, each and every adult, every person, one vote, one value. One person, one vote, one value. It is clear from this point, beta. One person is having one vote, and his vote has a same equal value. Clear? Democracy is based on a fundamental principle of political equality. Clear? We can say they gives us third feature of democracy. In democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote. Each vote must have one value. Clear? Next is rule of law and respect for rights. What do you mean by rule of law? Rule of law is a system of government in which a society maintains a set of good and fair laws by which government will be governed. Clear? The rule of law is a system of governance in which a society maintains a good and fair laws by which the government will be governed. Clear? Next is respect for rights. Respect for rights. In democracy, every citizen has certain basic rights that the state can't take away from him or her. These are granted by the constitution. Clear? He has to, if every person has to respect for his or her rights. Clear? Next is, we can say, if he has to exercise these rights peacefully with respect for the law, for the rights of others, then he can do this again. Clear? After that, we will read about why democracy in the next lecture. So read these pages yourself. Thanks. Have a nice day.